surveys4Bucks review. Is surveys4Bucks a scam or is it a legit survey site? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and make a quick like and don't forget to make a comment below. Let's get started. I am going to show you, is surveys4Bucks a scam or is it a legit survey site? It is definitely, in my opinion, not at all worth signing up for, and what this survey site actually really offers, and show you the warning signs and you can judge for yourself. Let me show you around to signing up for surveys4Bucks. I will put in my name and my email address. It actually doesn't ask for anything like password or anything like that, and here is the first warning sign. And here on this page you will check out personal offers and you can sign up. Let's just try to click one of them, and there is all this kind of offers that you have to say if you want to sign up for or not. Let's just try to click one of them, and here you can see it says we send you to different pages that you can sign up for, like free trials of movies. That's actually not what they offer at all. What does this comes to another one where you free trial for signing up for movies. It says for search device at home and you get paid, and it just sends you other websites to these other offers to refer people where they are probably getting paid, and you can continue through but that's what you have to go through to even get to the member series of surveys4Bucks. You can see there is actually 4 pages of these offers to be able to get the members area that you have to go through, and then there is another claims that you won over $30 billion. I don't want to participate, and you just select all offers continue. You have to select something to be able, but I don't really want to select this, and you have to click it to actually be able to continue, and again it takes you to the same movie page. But I am already getting tired from this, and another few offers that you have to say yes to just from going through the sign up process. And then to activate the membership you have to confirm your email. I actually don't want to confirm my email. I don't want to allow them to have more information on me. I signed up there of the member area and I took some screenshots. The first time it does give you some lists of actually legit service sites that you can sign up for. It sends you to spam you for on our website. Here it just sends you to some kind of Bitcoin millionaire offer. It does give you some lists of actually legit survey sites that you can sign up for. The issue is just that none of these actually takes you to the office and you have to sign up for. It just sends you to some kind of Bitcoin millionaire offer you have to sign up for. So surveys4Bucks, it just gives you similarly spammy offers actually not bring you any money, so it is completely waste of time to sign up for. So as you can see, surveys4Bucks is not really a survey site if you were looking to make money on page, and again it is completely waste of time. It just gives you a lot of offers already in the sign up process. It doesn't really give you access to surveys or any page surveys. I had to go through a lot of office. It wasn't even the office that it claimed to be. So in my opinion, complete waste of signing out of time to sign up for surveys4Bucks. But if you want to know more about survey sites that are actually supposed to make money, where I have a list of videos on my channel. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to make a like. Stay safe and goodbye.